everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie, and today I'm going to be filming a Boxycharm unboxing video. So if you're interested, stick around and let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing in the box was this LME Superfood Sika Calm Hydration Juice. And this is what it looks like. I think the packaging is really pretty. I do really like that it's made out of glass and it has a pump. That makes things super cleanly and efficient. And so I really appreciate the style of this bottle. Okay, so I will say that I love this product. I tried it for the very first time today, and it is just very light and very hydrating. It smells like aloe. I don't really mind the aloe smell. I do really enjoy this product. It just applies very nicely on the skin. So I will say that this product dries pretty tacky, but I actually don't mind that. I like the tackiness. I feel like the products and the foundation sticks a lot better to my skin. I also noticed that my skin looked a lot smoother, a lot more hydrated. It didn't make me look oily or like I was sweating. It literally was just super hydrating. My skin just looked healthy and it looked beautiful and it looked glowy and alive, and so I really like this product. The fact that it's completely vegan is just a huge plus. I really appreciate this and I'm excited. I can't wait to keep using this product. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this retails for $48. This alone pays for the box itself. The box is only like $27, something like that, around that price. And this retails for $48, so. All right, so the second thing in the box was the Professional Pore Primer, and I have been hearing about this primer for years now. This has been one of the top primers in the beauty industry, and I've always wanted to try it, but never really allowed myself to purchase it for the retail price. I don't know why, don't ask me, I just never did. But seriously, I am just so happy that I received this in my box because I can see now what the hype is about. It literally makes the application of your makeup just look flawless, just like a filter or something. I don't know. I fell in love. The whole time I was applying my makeup, I was like looking back at Brandon, like telling him like, yo, look at my makeup. My makeup looks really good. It is a pretty thin formula, but it is not watery. It's a pretty good consistency, and you can tell right away when you apply it on your skin that it is a very nice product. And this product retails for $32. I might just be super cheap, but yeah, I would never spend $32 on a primer. Well, actually, I might be spending $32 on this when I run out because this is worth the money. Okay, so the next thing in the box were these Hank & Henry Midori Beauty Sponge bundles. And these came together in the same box, and I'm already in love with both of these. I love the size of this sponge when it's wet. This is the bigger sponge in the package, and I just feel like this is such a perfect size for when you're applying your makeup. It just covers the right amount of area. I feel like it just works very well for me. Also, I really like how it's shaped like a pyramid. The edges on the sponge make it really easy to apply the foundation around your nose and kind of just like work it around your face. It gets in the crevices and it's just super comfortable and soft. And I also love that the bottom of the sponge is flat, so you can sit it on top of your desk and it won't roll around and kind of get dirty. I kind of don't like the beauty blenders that are rounded because I don't like to just set it on my counter and then pick it up and just spread all that bacteria on my face. I just prefer it to be completely flat on the bottom so it can sit on a counter and, you know, just makes me feel better about using this sponge to apply makeup. Alright, so the second sponge, it is not as big as the first one, obviously. So when you wet it, it doesn't really expand that much from its original size, but it's perfect because it's also got like the pyramid, it's got the edges, so you can really get up underneath your eyes. But I really love the size of the sponge because it works super perfect for your under eyes, if you're concealing underneath your eyes, around your nose. Getting little areas of the face, this sponge is perfect. I am obsessed with both of these sponges, and they retail for $20. That's not bad. I wouldn't mind paying $20 for those sponges. So the fourth thing in the box were these 5-piece lavish neon eye brush collection. These retail for $29.99. And I would never purchase these, to be honest. One, because I already have so many brushes and I don't really do my eyeshadow all that much. Okay, but here they are. The first brush that I used was the brow groomer. So I really like the spoolie, no complaints there. It really just brushes my brows the way I like it, and it works, okay? It works just like any other spoolie. The only thing I didn't like was the other side of it. This is the angled brush part that you use to fill in your brows, and it just did not work for me. I didn't like the application. I felt like it was a little too flimsy, it wasn't precise, it wasn't accurate, and I just found that this was a little hard to work with. So the next one I used was this pencil brush right here. I used it to conceal my brows and just kind of clean up the area. So sometimes when I'm doing my brows and I'm concealing, I find that there's a little bit more product than I would like there to be, so I have to go back and kind of like pat it with a napkin. But with this pencil, I noticed that when I was concealing my brows, it did a very good job at, like, I guess kind of absorbing some of the product, so that when I was applying it, there was no product buildup or there was no excess product, and I didn't have to go back and kind of like remove the excess with a napkin. So I really liked this pencil for concealing. I also used this fluffy tapered blending blush for my eyeshadow today. I wasn't really a fan. It kind of was hard to work with. It seemed pretty flimsy. It didn't seem to pick up color all that well, but it might just be the shades that I used. I was using the Morphe 35B palette, and I kind of used a pinky shade. So I'm not sure if it was the shadow that I used that was the issue. I'm not sure if it's the palette to blame or if it's the pencil, but I made it work. This brush wasn't my favorite, but I also don't hate it, and I think it did get the job done. And I'm pretty happy with my eyeshadow, so there's that. Then I have this blue brush. This is an eye shading brush, but I really didn't want to do anything crazy with my eyeshadow, so I used this brush instead to apply highlight to the tip of my nose and on the bridge of my nose, and I think it did a pretty good job. I mean, it was just a brush. It didn't really wow me or anything, but I was pretty pleased with the way it applied. The only brush that I didn't get to try was this fine liner brush, and that's just because I didn't care to do eyeliner today. I'm sure it does what other fine liners do. So, alright, and the very last product in the box was this makeup eraser right here. This is what it looks like. So just from holding it up, I can tell that it's very soft. And I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty skeptical at first. It claims to work just by soaking it in warm water, so that's what I did here, and I was shocked. It removed all of my makeup effortlessly and removed my mascara with only a couple swipes. It seriously is so amazing, and not only is it reusable and lasts 3 to 5 years, but it's also antibacterial, machine washable, great for sensitive skin, and saves money. The way it works is it's a polyester cloth with millions of tiny hair-like fibers that work as a suction for dirt, makeup, and oil in your pores. If you were to only buy one product from the box, this would be it. Trust me. Okay, so this completes today's video. If you are subscribed to Boxycharm, let me know if you received the same items that I did. If you didn't, let me know what you received instead. Did you love this month's box? Did you hate it? Let me know your thoughts. And if you don't have a Boxycharm subscription, but you love some of the products mentioned on this video, leave a comment down below and let me know. Like I said before, I really did love April's box. Everything in here was just perfect for me. I really did love it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!